So the question is, what is the pure American biking experience versus the rest of the world? And I think the one thing that really sets the US apart from anywhere else that I've ridden is just how big it is and how extremely fast and wild it can be. And then there's this kind of dichotomy where you could be way out in the middle of nowhere and a few hundred miles you're in the middle of the city. Whereas when I'm riding in places like Indonesia or India or China, there is a huge density of people even in rural areas. So to me, one of the most amazing things about America is you can really get lost by yourself or with a few friends and not see anybody for days, and just be one with yourself and the bike. And you might see a few people at the gas stations you go to fill up, or you could be off in the woods on a journey on your own. And there's this kind of endless possibility, this endless scenario sort of expression that happens in the US. And that's really what riding in the US is to me. I mean, it's just so vast, and there's so many different experiences you can have here.